behalf of the organic division of the French Chemical Society, it's my great pleasure to introduce Professor William Motherwell as the laureate of the Franco-British Prize. So a few steps in his career. Professor Motherwell is Scottish. He studied in Glasgow, and in 1975 he moved to London to undertake postdoctoral studies with Professor Derek Barton. There was an event in his career when Professor Barton took the CNRS Institute at Gif-sur-Yvette in 1978, and he asked Professor Motherwell to follow him and to study with him new reactivities and new reactions at the CNRS Institut de Chimie des Substances Naturelles. After a few years spent in south of Paris, Professor Motherwell went back to Great Britain, but in England this time, to Imperial College London, where he was appointed as a lecturer and reader, and then professor at University College London. Okay, Professor Motherwell made seminal contribution to synthetic methodology, the discovery of new reactions and new reactivities. I will cite several landmarks in his career, such as radical reactions, organometallic chemistry, and especially the chemistry of carbenoids, and other important contributions to fluorination chemistry, and many others. As an example, I would like to cite one example of Professor Motherwell's contribution to organic chemistry. There was a time when radical chemistry was completely uncontrollable chemistry. Radical species were considered as difficult to make, to control, and to use in organic chemistry. Professor Motherwell contributed very deeply to the renewal of this very important chemistry by new reaction for generation of radical and new reaction of radical intermediates that made them controllable, useful to organic synthesis. And this high creativity, this high new chemistry was also made for other type of reaction, especially in field of organometallic chemistry. So I'm very proud and very happy for Professor Motherwell that he obtained the Franco-British Prize.
Ah, pour moi, la chimie, c'est vaste, c'est énorme, et surtout, c'est une philosophie à la découverte. Comme chimiste, je sais que je peux poser des questions tout le temps. La curiosité, la recherche, c'est à la découverte, et un organisme peut arriver à faire beaucoup de choses dans sa carrière. Donc, ces jours ici, vous êtes formé dans une discipline un peu spéciale, mais il faut penser que pour vraiment caractériser votre signature à vous-même, ça c'est-à-dire pour gagner un prix Nobel, vous devez lire très attentivement au dehors de votre sujet spécial. Vous devez poser des questions tout le temps. Et comme ça, vous devez arriver et vous serez le prochain Jean-Marie-Laine, si je peux dire.
It is my great pleasure to give you this award from the French Chemical Society as on our binational award. Okay, congratulations.